Welcome back, guys, and let's go into this video right away. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so today we are mounting a 75-inch Philips TV. Might seem simple, especially with all the videos you watch online. I've seen way too often people try to be more cost effective, or they hire the cheapest guy that they could find, thinking they're saving money. But in reality, this investment can cost you a lot more in the long run. Cheap is cheap for a reason. A lot of times corner gets cut, TVs aren't mounted in a stud, the wrong anchors are used, or the mount isn't secure properly. And that's when wall gets damaged, or even worse, the TV falls. In every home is different. Some walls are concrete, some have wood stud, others have metal, and each one requires different anchors, different screws, and the right technique. This isn't a one-size-fits-all job. Another big mistake I see all the time is TV height. Please stop mounting TVs way too high. Your TV should be at eye level or a comfortable height. When you're sitting on your couch, it makes a huge difference in how you enjoy your space. At Al's PC Repair and Electronic Services, we take the time to do it right. We find a stud, use the correct hardware for your wall type, mount it safely, and make sure everything looks clean and solid, because your home and your investment deserve that level of care. So if you're thinking about mounting a TV, don't take the risk. Call us today, Al's PC Repair and Electronic Services. We make sure the job is done right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, we're at the end of the video, and I just want to thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe now, please! Thank you. Don't forget to comment. Yeah, leave a comment. Bye.